we got a package. Let's open this up. I'm feeling a lot better today. Let's see what we have. Excited because I did order those new bookmarks. So, oh my gosh, this was packed very well. Again, all this stuff is from Beadable Bliss. It's my go-to. It was a holiday hat day at school today, so I haven't taken it off because my hair is all messed up. Ooh, I love these. Oh, look at these. How cute. These are for the girls at my dentist's office. They asked for pets. So these are cute. Aria, look. Little teeth. I got these for the dentist girls. Aren't they cute?
Yeah. For the dentist girls?
Mm-hmm. Oh, look at these. I thought they would be bigger, but these are cute.
I like these. I like this one.
These are pretty cute.
I like this one, Grandma.
I know. I got little, kind of like spacers. Small ones. Look at these. How pretty the colors are. Got some more Green Bay. More Ram.
Tío Harvey's in that team.
Yeah, and that team. Tío Fredo.
I mean, Tío Fredo.
More Green Bay. Oh, here they are. Look how pretty. Look at these. They look like, I don't know, gumballs, huh?
No diamonds.
The diamonds?
The pink ones. They're like pink.
We got more Cowboys because we ran out. Ooh, look at these. Here are my bookmarks. So if you are wanting the bookmarks, I got a whole bunch of colors. They come out really nice. We got the pink, the green, the blue, the yellow, a brown, a white, black. This is one style. Let me see if I do have the other style. Order more Green Bay. Of course, more Raider ones. Those go quick. 49ers. Okay, I ordered the Zodiac signs. So if you want a Zodiac pin, look at these. They're pretty. Ooh, this is the new style that I ordered. These are also bookmarks, so let me see. They're really cute, like rose tin. So I'm gonna have to make one just so you guys can see. I got a couple orders today, so I got a bake as well. We're having a hot chocolate bar at work, so I think I might bake either some scones or some biscottis. We'll see. Ooh, look at these Cocos. Let me show you what I got. I like this one. I think I'm gonna make me one of these. It says, "When all else fails, God doesn't." Psalm 73:26. If you want one of these, let me know, because I think I'll make making myself one. Let me find this. Hold on. I got a mess still. And I got this little cow because in one of my events, they were asking for a cow. So if you like cows, or this thing, whatever it is, I also ordered one of these, Dental Squad. So I'm going to make a couple of the dentist pens for the girls. Oops, just dropped something. Excuse me. Ooh, Ooh. I'm not going to show you this one because this is going to be a Christmas gift for my friend. I think she's going to love it. Oh, I got some 911 pins for those 911 operators. So if you have a friend that works at the call center, you can give them a focal pin. If you have a best friend, besties forever. A different style. This is a dental hygienist. So if you have those that just clean the teeth, what about our dental squad? Did I show you this one? I think I did. Okay, and then let me see. Oh, I got a lot of these. For the Day of the Dead, they asked me for some, and I couldn't find any, but look what I found. Maybe for next year. Look at these skulls. For Day of the Dead. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I got this one for me, because I'm going to make me one, because I do have, it says, just keep swimming. Keep swimming, so, see, he's right here. So I might do me one. How cute. What else do I have here? Oh, I got a little cookie. I thought it was cute. Any cookie lovers? The cookie. Oh, I got an ambulance for those. What are they called? AMR drivers. I think that's what it's called. And I think that, oh, this one too. In the medical field, so. Ooh, I'm excited. Oh, I'm really excited for the one that I can't